Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create mind maps with Draw.io. Mind maps are incredibly useful for brainstorming, organizing ideas, and visualizing complex information in a simple, structured way. Let's dive right in and explore two different methods you can use to build your own mind map. First things first, open your browser and head over to draw.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a new tab where the magic happens. This is your workspace where you can start creating and editing diagrams of all kinds, including mind maps. Now, there are two basic ways you can create mind maps in Draw.io, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever method suits your workflow best. The first method involves using basic shapes to build your mind map from scratch. This gives you complete control over the layout and design. To get started, look for the Shapes panel on the left side of your screen. From there, add one ellipse shape to your canvas. This ellipse will serve as your central idea, the core concept around which everything else revolves. Click on the ellipse and name it Central Idea. This is the heart of your mind map. Next, let's add four rectangle shapes around the ellipse. Position them evenly around your central idea to create a balanced, organized look. These rectangles will represent your main topics or branches stemming from the central concept. Click on each rectangle and name them Topic 1, Topic 2, Topic 3, and Topic 4. You can connect these shapes with lines or arrows if you want to show relationships between the topics and the central idea. And that's it for the first method. It's simple, flexible, and great if you want to customize every detail of your mind map. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is even faster if you prefer working with a ready-made template. On the left side of your workspace, look for an option labeled Advanced and click on it. This opens up a menu with several built-in templates designed for specific purposes. Among these options, you'll find one called Mind Map. Click on it to select this template. Once you do that, a pre-designed mind map structure will appear on your canvas. This template already has the basic layout and connections set up for you, saving you time and effort. All you need to do now is edit the content to match your specific ideas and topics. Simply click on each element in the mind map and replace the placeholder text with your own information. And there you have it. You've now learned two different ways to create mind maps using Draw.io. Whether you prefer building from scratch with basic shapes or starting with a built-in template, both methods are quick and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.